Construction work is tough, and safety should always come first. In 2025, PPE technology has evolved to offer even better protection. So, let's check out the top PPE gear every construction worker needs. 1. Smart helmets. These helmets now come with built-in AR displays, noise cancellation, and even fatigue monitoring. 2. AI-powered safety vests. These high-tech vests have LED lights for visibility and sensors that alert workers if they're in a hazardous zone. 3. Advanced safety glasses. Anti-fog, scratch-resistant, and now with heads-up displays for real-time instructions. 4. Exoskeleton suits. Wearable tech that reduces strain on your back and arms, perfect for lifting heavy materials. 5. Smart work gloves. These gloves improve grip, monitor hand movements, and even detect harmful chemicals. Technology is making construction sites safer than ever. Invest in the right PPE and protect yourself. Want more safety tips? Subscribe for the latest updates. Visit our website www.constructionjobboard.co.uk for more information and jobs.